Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on menu option, tap on settings, then search on search bar, then type on blogging, okay, then blogging here, just click, then your all blocked list, your Facebook account, okay, then choose person, then unblock, just click, okay, then unblock, then try another person, then click unblock, then unblock. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.